Hello and welcome back to yet another video. In this video we're talking about copying files in Python. So copying a file. In order to copy a file you need a certain library, but in my case I'm going to be using Shuttle. So I'm going to be using Shuttle, and in Shuttle you have three different methods. You have copy file, copy, and copy to. So copy file just copies the contents of a file. Copy does the same as the first one, but it also copies the permission mode, and the destination can be a directory. Copy to does the same thing as copy one, which does all of this, but it also copies the metadata of the file. So the metadata basically means the data about the data. So the file's creation time and modification time, and when it was last accessed, and all the data about that certain file basically. So here we have the import shuttle, and after that we can use one of the three methods. Okay, so first use shuttle dot copy file, and like I said, you can use copy file, or copy to. We're going to be using copy file, and in here you basically have two arguments. First argument is the source, and the second argument is going to be the destination. Cool. So what's the source? The source is this right here. We have this text file in our project folder, and it's name.txt. It says, hi, please like and subscribe. So we're gonna say name.txt. So that's the first argument, and the second argument we're gonna name the new text file that we want to use, which is, let's say, name2.txt. And if we run it, then as you can see, the process finished and this popped up, and it says the same thing, hi, please like and subscribe, just like the first one. And for this one, and if you want, you can also use copy to. It's the same thing, and there you go, it worked. But you can just rename it name3 just to make sure it works, and it works. And that's basically it. You can also use the path file, the path of the file, sorry, instead of the name of the file, because right now the file is in the project folder, so we don't need to specify the path of the file. But if it was somewhere in my desktop or something like that, then we would need to do the same thing that we did in the other examples, other videos that I've covered before, which is specifying the specific file path, like this right here, or this right here. Doing that just basically ensures that you are going to be putting everything where you want to put it, instead of in the same project folder. So that's it for copying files in Python. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more computer science content. And as always, the full code will be in the comments down below.